planning to buy any of VPS hosting, both these are the VPS plans of hostinger, and if you want to buy any of those, so you don't have to use coupon code. I have a special discount link in the description. You can check basically, and there are the live example of why you don't have to use coupon code. Here I have used my special discount link that is in the description, and I have a choose plan for 1 year KVM 2 machine, and the price is this. Okay, and here I use coupon code, and the price is this. There are a lot of difference both of them. And if you are increase the duration of this, cost will apply more, and you will could get more discount using my description link. And when you click on my description link, and page will redirect to link will redirect to this page. And if you are interested to buy in but if you are interested to buy these art plans, my special discount will be applicable all of them. And if you are buy only VPS hosting, so you have to click on hosting section and choose VPS hosting. After that, you have to choose your plan, and clicking choose plan, and here are the special discount applied for this. Okay, so you can I'm not you can use all of your own, and you will see the difference. Okay, and if this link is not working in your browser, so open this link is another browser, or you can use incognito tab. Okay, thanks.